Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn class 10th subject English Kumar Bharati chapter 1.2 The Thief Story English Workshop. First, complete the web diagram. Anil's virtues, and Anil's virtues are is a kind, pleasant, simple, easygoing. In a second wave diagram, Hari's voices and that are cunning, shrewd, cheater, untruthful. Second activity, insert the appropriate word or phrase given below in the sentences that follow, and those words are flattery, appealing, by fits and starts, dashed to, undetected, spirits rose. A I blank space the school gate when I heard the school bell ring. Here in blank space we will write dashed. B after the death of my pet dog, my dash when dad got me a new pup. Here in blank space we will write spirits rose. C do not stoop to blank space just to gain something from someone. Here in this blank space we will write flattery. D the artist completes his paintings blank space. Here in this blank space we will write by fits and starts. E the crime went blank space for 11 years. Here in this blank space we will write undetected. F when the baby saw its mother, it gave an dash smile. Here we will write appealing. Third, A find from the text the collocation for the following. First, dash dog. Here we will write stray dog. Dash man, greedy man. Ticket dash ticket office. Dash slowly, walked slowly. Dash drizzle, light drizzle. Dash sentences, whole sentences. Seventh, dash spirits, rose spirits. B complete the compound words from the story. Oil dash, here we will write rich oil rich. Second, 50 dash 50 rupee. Easy dash easy going. Fourth, dash tower, clock tower. Fifth, moon dash moonlight. C pick out from the story 3 or 4 examples of code mixing, that is Indian words used in English, and these words are pajamas, maidans, bazaar. Fourth activity, read the story carefully and complete the table. Here in first column, total number of characters. In second column, names. Third column, age. Fourth column, physical appearance. Fifth column, earn money by. Sixth column, qualities. So total number of characters are 2. First character name is Anil. His age 25. His physical appearance tall, lean, clear face. Earn money by writing for magazines and books. Qualities kind, simple, pleasant, easygoing. Second character's name is Hari, age 15, physical appearance thin, many scars on face, earn money by stealing and cheating people, robbery. Qualities: cunning, shrewd, untruthful, cheater. Fifth activity: complete the given sentences. A. Anil kept Hari as a cook because answer: he needed someone to cook for him, also felt sorry for him. B. Hari was grateful because Anil taught him to write words and sentences. C. Hari continued making money by stealing money from day's supplies. D. Anil didn't hand Hari over to the police because he wanted to brought positive changes in Hari. E. The moral of the story is if we are good, then people behave in a good way. Sixth activity: think and write in your own words in your notebook. A. Why did Anil employ Hari as a cook, although he could not afford to pay him? Initially, Anil told Hari that he could not pay him, but after listening that Hari can cook, he told him that he cannot pay him but can feed him. Along with this, Anil also felt sorry for Hari. That's why he employed Hari as a cook. B. What did Hari learn from Anil in the beginning? In the beginning, Hari learned to cook and write his name. C. Why didn't Anil hand over Hari to the police? What effect would it have on Hari? Answer: Anil didn't hand over Hari to the police because if he handed Hari over to the police, he might be more cruel and dishonest in future. But as he didn't hand over Hari to the police, it brought a positive effect and changed the way of living a life. D. Do you feel Anil's way of handling a thief like Hari was effective? Justify your answer. Yes, I feel the way Anil handled a thief like Hari was effective because cruelty cannot be destroyed by cruelty. It can be destroyed by good behavior and calmness. If he handle it in a wrong way, things may be worst, but he succeeded in handling this. That's why his way of handling a thief like Hari was effective. E. What tact had Anil used to change Hari's dishonest ways? Answer: though Hari was a cheater, but Anil ignored his attempts of cheating and instigate him to write. It gives Hari a full motivation to change his life. F. And the smile came by itself without any effort. Say why? When do people give fake smiles? Hari robbed Anil but regretted and went back to Anil. Anil ignored his cheating and teach him to write whole sentences. He gave him smile on forgiving him. People give fake smiles when they are not happy but pretended to be happy. Seventh activity: write a character sketch of Hari Singh with the help of following points using the paragraph format, and those points are given. Hari Singh's background: his dishonesty, his aspirations, his courage to change himself. Now we have to write a paragraph. Hari Singh, a name which is not real, shows that this character is fraud, cheater by its deeds. A 15-year-old has expert in cheating and robbery. He cheat police, people, former employers, and in most of the case, he cheated Anil too. He wanted to take education in order to become a big and respected man. He wished to achieve a lot by education. He stole a big amount which Anil had received and ran away. There he realized in the search of money he missed the chance of getting education. So he shows courage and decide to return Anil his money. Eighth activity, frame WH questions to get the answers underlined below. Change the first person pronouns to the second person where necessary. A. I hurried back to the room, and the WH question is where did you hurry back to? B. I had made a study of men's faces. Question. What study had you made? C. I drew them out without a sound. Question. How did you draw them out? D. The poor man showed acceptance. Question. Who showed acceptance? E. I made tea in the morning. And question is, when did you make a tea? Ninth activity. Imagine that Anil catches Hari red-handed when Hari is stealing the money from under the mattress. Compose a short dialogue between the two, which reflects Anil's shock and Hari's repeated apologies. Anil, who is there? Hari, nobody. Anil, what's going on, Hari? Hari, nothing. I was just. Anil, just what? Hari, I was checking whether any thief is trying to steal your money. Anil, where is the thief? Hari, nowhere. I was just. Anil, means you are trying to steal my money. Hari, no. Anil, tell me the truth. Hari, I am sorry, but. Anil, how can you do this to me? I feed you and you are robbing me. Hari, I apologize. I was. Okay, don't worry, but promise me not to do it again. Hari, yes, I promise. Anil, I hope you keep your promise. Hari, thank you. You have changed my life. Here we have completed the English workshop of second chapter, The Thief's Story. If you want to watch such type of videos, subscribe our channel. Share our videos among your friends, relatives. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Thank you. Thanks a lot.